mo afa ba attention to na enne ye wa be kuma kef enne wo hwe demonstration e cause a strike was there you yenim ye cause wan kasa na yenya ga municipal assembly MCA wo ha ene da twetwe komo na ya hwe ye cause wan kasa ti papa ba na te say say usha enne ye cause wa usha all over I say beja e wa ade an kasa pa ene cause
ene de say wan kasa say wan kasa we into what is a strike was a demonstration most of them
wow
yeah no problem na make a travel
and they say
obi say strike obi say demonstration obi say me ba sense based system we interaction I said that work no mo kasa no mo tiasa no bi so every traba mo tiasa mo bring and so now on the baby I will sound for your driver also on your one also the driver the GPRT for our as I say one better almost about to go up 10% price
wow
yeah you can find one on one fast take advantage of any situation as you are seeing now fast some of them ain't me the opportunity of every petrol every say yeah hard you are what's on yet my be and fine and your constitutional right but to be here to us and my attack any driver okay whether commercial or private say all jam upon the baby upon the juma now best to open and now best and the can the my I know the rest are short and little I am again everyone all our guitar cars no driver so yet my be no but man for say obi car that you be omu timi do be timi so ma driver you can jump for be so we can
now chief but we have you got it time say bia e penifo mo around mo ye head of drivers no and as taxi drivers and what I say we need be at trip mo afọ give us
then that was the first thing we did Emma almost free up on board the call. Yes, I didn't have to beyond them. Over from board the call, from board, you transport you and go over. I can stop. I hope it's someone, the agreements offices and we can turn. Almost said that, who said that exactly why they are demonstrating. Say, if you have to contact the grounds, once any point, for one, some said it's a demonstration. If you are making a say, most of them do need to go and when somebody say private we have blocked point they want no block point they are clever because left to me and see why because we see Ejuma a funny giving your
now I believe sir days ago drivers need omo penny for GPRT any other TUC for no other groups now drivers I let's say omo grievances chance to abide them omo there say I'm sure the cost like sometimes now where there steps here we take here how result to this
very recent when train back for why ever questions
the municipal police commander when you notice say
when you
oh Samu
our Martina is so and the Martina any police notice there no I said the demonstration be ever possible while blocking the road about for big crime hospital I won't be back to the ticket let me say I got there 1 week was 2 weeks what could be drawn no attacking police link aside I'm going to swan Janet oh drivers in the highest animal that's what I'm saying some made demonstration but most of them
and you say what is the way for
the situation are normalized the situation is but so we are also and as the taxi and now Uber and now we now plan to go back also we are talking about the market and when we are before so we protect life
what is the assembly For Yakoswa, Ewablik Makef, Yane, the municipal executive now, Central and Aluminum, some Wakana. Next, Omukran, Omuni, Yakosu, Yabakoswan and Namuna, Yane, Womu was Omuko, Mumaswa. The first strike was a demonstration. Actually, Aka appointed you. I don't make it come on now. You have everything Akachi. High attention to you. And so abusuafo na aha na yɛde ɛyɛ nkɔmɔtwetwe a yɛne ɛyɛ abokuma kef ɛyɛ adriverfoɔ ɛne mpanyinfoɔ ɛkasa yɛ situation a ɛkɔ so aha ɛna ɛde besi aha yɛ atɛnhyɛ ti bedi na ɔbɛfɔ